welcome back to another video. This video is going to be a makeup tutorial on this look. I posted this I think on New Year's Eve or the day before, and it was like very New Year's Eve inspo, but I didn't get a chance to film it before New Year's Eve. But I thought this could be a really fun clubbing look if you have a birthday in January or February like me. I'm February 15th, put it in your calendar, and happy birthday to all the Capricorns right now. So I thought this would be a really fun look for a birthday. My sister's birthday is actually January 1st, and we're going to see Lana Del Rey in concert on the 19th of this month for her birthday. So this could be a really fun concert look, a really fun clubbing look, or really just to start the new year with a really glam makeup look for your next event. Also, I'm fighting a cold right now, so I sound weird, I'm sorry, but in the tutorial I sound pretty normal. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the look. I'm so excited, and let's get started. Okay, so to start off this makeup tutorial, we're gonna do skincare. So I'm gonna use the Pixie Skin Treats Glow Tonic to go white. I'm just gonna wipe my skin off because I'm catching a cold. So I have some Vicks on my face. I'm also gonna apply some of this Matcha Toner by Milk Makeup and just place that on the face. I'm also gonna use the Milk Makeup Cooling Stick, and I'm gonna put this around the nose. Me feeling like I have that menthol cooling effect. I'm also gonna put it around the eyes. Now for moisturizer, I'm gonna use the MAC Strobe Cream. This is the yellow kind of golden shade, and this is just gonna help our skin look nice and bright, and again be moisturized because it has vitamins. It's winter right now. We're actually in the middle of a blizzard, so we definitely need that extra hydration. I can't even see outside right now. It's so white. Like, is that not terrifying? It literally looks like the end of the world. Now I'm gonna go in with primer. This is the YSL Touche Éclat Blurring Primer. This is the actual kind of liquid version. It's a little softer than the balm version, not as heavy. For foundation, I'm gonna mix two of my favorites. We have the Becca Full Coverage Cream and the NARS Luminous. I'm gonna put a half a pump of the Becca on my brush, and I'm gonna do half a pump of the NARS. Jump right into highlighting and contouring. I'm gonna use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit in medium. So I'm going to go into the light bronzy contouring shade. And with that light yellow shade in the center, I'm gonna mix some of the light color here, like the peachy color, and I use this palette only on myself, so it's okay to mix. I'm gonna put this under the eyes. It's gonna brighten, conceal, highlight, all that jazz. I'm gonna go in with the Tarte Shape Tape in the color Light Medium Honey because we still want concealer. Coconut Rose Spray, and I'm just going to blend this in with my beauty blender. To finish off, I'm going to bake with the Laura Mercier setting powder. I'm just gonna use my beauty blender and just pounce that. And I'm only doing this to catch fallout, but it is also gonna work to obviously set that concealer. We're doing a very heavy glam eyeshadow look, so you definitely want to either do the eyes first or get a really good base of powder. I'm going to look crazy while I do my eyeshadow, but it will be worth it in the end. Less work to clean up later. So to start the eyeshadow look, I'm using the Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette. This look was inspired by this palette because I picked it up and I got so excited to do a full glam look that this is the look I came up with using it. So that's what we're doing today. It'll be my first palette, or my first tutorial using this palette. So let's just take a blending brush. So I'm just gonna go in with Rolling in Dough, and then of course I'm gonna go in with a brown. I'm gonna use Cocoa Truffle, just a little bit. These are just gonna work as transition shades, of course. So now for the fun part, the main crease color is going to be the hot pink color from the palette, and it is called New Money. So I'm just gonna use my blending brush, just swirl it in the product. and just go right into the crease. And you can see how those other colors just really work nicely as a background and a nice transition for this hot pink. So I'm just gonna really build it up because I do want it to be bright. So now that I've built that crease up to that hot pink shade, we're gonna go into our lid color. So for the base of my lid color, I'm taking this pigment by Milk, and this is called Silent Disco. It's literally like a little cream, just like a dark base. So if you want to do one eye at a time, feel free. So quickly before that sets, we're gonna go into our brush that has the leftover pink and just blend while that pigment is still wet. I'm going to go into the color Dripping Diamonds, which is this gorgeous kind of silvery, icy, light blue. And you can see because of that wet pigment, this eyeshadow just really, really, really pops. I am also going to pick some up on my brush and then spray my brush with my facial spray. And this is just really going to make it pop even more. It almost looks like your eyes are just like literally foil, like aluminum foil. So now that we've applied that, I really want to smoke it out and kind of take away a little bit of the colorfulness that we have going on. So I'm going to take the black shade in the palette. I'm going to take the brush that had the pigment on it, just so we're keeping all the dark colors on the same brush. And I'm going to pack that. I keep reapplying, blending, reapplying, and blending, and then I'm going to put my lashes on and we can finish the face. Okay, so our eyes are done. I applied my lashes. You guys know I use my favorite lash. If you've been following me for a while, you know all of 2017, these are literally the only lashes I wear now. These are the Dodo Lashes D301. So this is the style. They're the only lashes I've ever found in my whole life that I don't have to wear multiple pairs. These alone literally are a lifesaver. They are gorgeous, and you can use my name for money off if you order. So it's literally, the coupon code is my name, Gabriella Lascano, and it will get you money off of your lashes. I definitely want to look into creating my own lash line because I love lashes so much, and I definitely have always had trouble finding lashes that work with my eyes. These are the only ones I have ever found that work with my eyes, but I would love to create a lash line that are similar to these but then have a lot of other types, you know what I mean? Because I just never have found a line of lashes that fit my eyes. And I know a lot of you guys ask what lashes I'm wearing. So what do you guys think? Should I go for it? That's one of my goals this year. Let's put it out into the universe, my own lash line. What do you think? So now that that's done, let's work on the face. So I'm going to use, I don't know where I'm going. I'm going to use the Coco Collection by Kylie Cosmetics face palette. So this has a bronzer, blush, and 2 highlighters. This one is like a rose gold cheek topper, and then this one is like a vanilla pearl, slightly pinky goldy highlighter. It is a gorgeous palette, probably one of the best products I've used from Kylie Cosmetics. I'm gonna go in with this Kat Von D bronzer brush and just pick up that bronzer. It is a really, really gorgeous matte contour bronzer. Because it's a matte bronzer, I'm gonna use it to contour the nose as well. I don't really contour my nose, I kind of just use the bronzer to add the natural lines of my nose back because I have a small nose, and after powder and concealer and everything, my nose kind of disappears. So I'm not really trying to create a new shape, I'm just trying to bring definition back. While I'm there, I'm gonna grab the highlighter of the palette and just put that down the center. I don't like to do too much of like the lines down because that looks like boogers. I just want to do like literally the Cupid's bow. And then I'm also doing a little bit under the brow, just at the very high point. and then a little bit over the brow as well at the very high point. I'm trying to pinpoint those high points. And then I'm going to take a pencil brush and use that highlighter in the inner corner of the eye as well. I believe originally when I did this look, I used the same color on the lid, that silver color, and then I mixed it with some of the gold from the Too Faced palette. So I'm going to do that again. For under the eyes, I just smoked out a little bit of brown and black eyeshadow just to balance out the look. I'm going to go in with that rose gold kind of blush topper color and use that. To make everything adhere, I'm going to use some of my facial spray. I say some and then I bathed in it. I didn't mean to bathe in it. It just happened. It just happened, okay? And then to add a little bit more pink to really blend in the eye, so it's not like rose gold and then silver. We want to kind of mix all together because we are mixing metals, since we have rose gold on the cheeks and then we have silver and pink. So to add kind of a mix of everything and just make everything blend, I want to do like a pinky shell like kind of color on the cheek. So this is the Light Chasers highlighter in the color Rose Quartz. It's kind of hard to tell what it looks like in the pan, but as you can see, it's a really pretty like rose pinky color, and this really picks up in the light. So pretty, and in a photo or when you're laughing, you're smiling, the light really picks up on that pink, and it just really blends the whole look together with the pink on the eye. And then of course no look is complete without highlighter. So I'm just gonna take the highlighter from the Kylie palette, the Kylie palette, with a fan brush. We're kind of gonna go right next to where we put the pink color, but on the high point. So to finish off, I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of lip liner, and this is NYX. I believe this is Cappuccino. Just like a nice neutral light brown. And then for lips, I'm gonna take my lipstick with Mickey Song Cosmetics. This is my lipstick from our line. We did a lipstick and a gloss. I will link that video in the cards for you guys to check it out. It is the most perfect pinky rosy gold shade, and with this gorgeous rose gold packaging, and then the top here has my signature on it. So I will leave that down below. We're almost sold out, so if you want to get it now, because it is almost sold out. So I'm going to put that on. I'm going to go in with this lip gloss. This is one of my favorite lip glosses ever. Love how it works with my lipstick. I think it just is the perfect light gloss nude pink complement, and I love this look so much. I love that it's like fierce and dramatic because you have black and hot pink and silver, but then the really soft rose gold skin, and then the nudie light pink lip and the fluttery lashes. It just really brings it back to girly and soft and sweet and wintry, and I just love it so much. So hope you guys enjoyed this look, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.